Imagine a world with no landfills, no plastic-filled oceans, and no pollution clogging our cities. Instead, all our trash is launched into space. Sounds like a futuristic solution, right? We get rid of waste forever, and Earth stays clean. But is it actually possible? Or is this just another sci-fi fantasy? Stick around, because today, we're diving deep into the idea of launching our garbage into space, the science, the costs, the risks, and whether this could ever become reality. Right now, the world generates over 2 billion tons of trash every year, and that number is expected to nearly double by 2050. Landfills are overflowing, oceans are turning into garbage dumps, and plastic is even showing up in the air we breathe. So, why not take all this waste and send it into space? Well, before we start loading up rockets with garbage, let's look at what that would actually take. If we wanted to launch trash into space, we'd have two main options. Send it into Earth's orbit, but that would create dangerous space junk, making space travel nearly impossible. Not a great idea. Shoot it into the sun. This seems like a perfect solution. The sun is huge, hot, and powerful. Our trash would be completely vaporized. But getting trash to the sun isn't as easy as you might think. It takes a lot of energy to break free from Earth's gravity and then carefully aim at the sun without missing. To put it simply, launching trash isn't as easy as just pressing a button. Let's talk money. Right now, launching a single kilogram of material into space costs about $3,000 to $10,000. Now, imagine trying to launch millions of tons of trash every day. That would cost trillions of dollars every year, way more than just managing waste here on Earth. Elon Musk once said, "When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor." But let's be real, at this cost, the odds are definitely not in our favor. And let's not forget about rockets. Rockets sometimes fail. Imagine a rocket full of trash exploding over a city, radioactive waste, chemicals, and plastic raining down from the sky. Also, what if we accidentally send something into space that could contaminate another planet? Scientists worry about planetary protection, making sure we don't send Earth's bacteria or pollution to places like Mars or the Moon. So, sending trash into space could create more problems than it solves. Instead of launching garbage into space, what if we focused on better solutions here on Earth? Recycling, upcycling. Instead of trashing everything, we could turn waste into new materials. Plasma gasification. Some scientists are working on ways to burn trash without pollution by turning it into energy. Biodegradable materials. What if everything we used was designed to break down naturally instead of lasting for centuries? Clearly, space trash disposal isn't the answer, but smarter waste management right here on Earth might be. So, while the idea of sending all our trash into space sounds cool, it's just not practical, too expensive, too risky, and too dangerous. But what we can do is be smarter about how we handle waste on Earth. If we start now, we won't have to worry about landfills overflowing or oceans filling with plastic. As Isaac Asimov once said, the saddest aspect of life right now is that science gathers knowledge faster than society gathers wisdom. So, let's not wait for rockets to fix our trash problem, let's fix it ourselves. What do you think? Would you ever support sending garbage into space? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more mind-blowing what-if scenarios.